Wow, what's the deal? What's happening? It's your boy, Joshua J. Trades, back with another video. What's poppin', chat? You heard me? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the videos, and you can message me as well. You can comment. Let me know what you got going on with your trading journey, or whatever the case may be, or if I can help you and assist you, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a newbie still myself, so you heard me? We can help each other. You might got something you want to tell me to help me out, you heard me? But I just wanted to come through real quick, make a video, and let y'all know that I'm good. I've been taking a break like I told y'all. You know, all us traders that go through tilting and go through losses, you have to take a break. It's important. The emotional connection to trading is just as important as your risk management. You heard me? So you really got to tap in with self and get you together, because it could be a roller coaster ride mentally and psychologically, right? So I just wanted to let y'all know that I have revamped my plan, and I am going with the 25K accounts with Take Profit Trader. We're going to get the bag this time. So we're going to scale right off the bat. I don't know what day I'm gonna do it yet. I'm still kind of ironing my inner self out right now, but I'm thinking about next week. Might as well start the week out fresh. We'll see. I will be uploading videos. I may not upload every trading day that I trade, but I'll do the best that I can to upload at least 2 to 3 videos a week and be consistent with that as well. But I'm going to utilize that time as my part of my discipline and rules to put myself on camera so that I can follow my rules and not go into an emotional state again. Also, I want to tell y'all that this is important. Trading without trading. So I still been trading without trading. I just ain't been clicking no buttons, but I have been looking at the markets during London session, right? I have been checking that out as well. Looking at some of my setups that I would normally take, you know, and documenting that stuff mentally, you heard me? But it also, I looked at the data from passing my last account, and it helped me to realize from a psychological, I guess this could be a psychological video, right? Lessons never losses. So what I learned as a lesson is, most of the time on Sundays, I don't trade. I tilted and blew my account on a Sunday. So that told me right there that the whole time I passed the evaluation account, right, I didn't trade no Sundays. And then I had a nerve to trade that one Sunday. That's the wrong thing to do. So no more Sundays for me. That's out of there. If you see me trade, if you see me say I traded on a Sunday, you need to flame me and deep fry me in the comments, y'all. We got to hold each other accountable. So that's the thing. Then I'm going to be all the way professional with it, work on my professionalism much as I can. I'm going to take one loss a day. Now, if I win my first trade, I have a decision to make, a choice to make, whether I want to take a second trade or where basically if I lose the second trade, I'm break even. So I'm break even on a day. But if I win the second trade, I double up that day. But if I lose and close the computer down, I'm only risking on a 25K. I'm not changing nothing with my risk. You heard me? We're going to still rock out with $200 a trade. But if I rock out and lose $200 that day, per my data, I don't lose a lot. So when I'm winning, and if I double up my wins, we'll be there in no time. So, but we're not trying to rush nothing. We're going to scale up and we're going to get this money. You heard me? We're going to make it happen. Tilting happens, blowing accounts happen. We're not saying it's not going to happen, but we're going to follow our rules to the best of the ability, because we are all professional, consistently professional traders on this journey together. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to hold each other accountable. So that's the update for me. What's the other thing? Yeah, we're gonna start off with 3 accounts for TPT. I know a lot of people are scared of the intraday trailing drawdown. I am not, because I have passed TPT several times and I've gotten several payouts from TPT. I actually was when I ain't had no job and I was unemployed, TPT was paying the bills, you heard me? So I'm really not scared of intraday trailing drawdown. I just wanted to go to Lucid because they didn't have a buffer, but I'm coming back home to TPT and I'm coming to get this bread, because once you pass the buffer, you heard me, TPT gonna pay you on a daily process. It's a daily process with TPT. So we coming back to TPT. I'm gonna drop the video on the first day that I start the trade, or second or third day or whatever, but I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop and keep consistent. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for following my journey. Thank y'all for commenting. Holla at y'all too, man. Shout out, man. Y'all tilting. Shout out to the people out there that tilt but learn to emotionally take a break and come back to it and knock it over the head and do what we need to do for our families and ourselves. You heard me? And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to give y'all an update, you heard me? But I love y'all, my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share this. Get this to anybody else that may need help on their journey or want to follow mine. You heard me? Man, it's your boy Joshua J. Trades. Y'all already know which I'm, you heard me? I'm out.